Mr. H, confession time. We forgot to do the last page of the preview. So I'm going to put this on Classroom and try and send out a message to all of you hoping you see this later. So we're on the last page here of the preview. A couple of applications back from Unit 1. First thing to remember. If two angles make a straight line, that's 180 degrees. Okay? So my equation here would be me adding these up to equal 180, but to save myself a little bit of space here, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to combine my like terms. I'm going to do the same thing with my plain old numbers. Watch the signs. 16 minus 4. And then we're going to solve what's left. So once I get over the idea of that 180, which I am going to mention tomorrow before the quiz as well. And then we're looking for angle ABC. So that's the one we're on the lookout for. We're going to plug the 24 in for the x. And let's see what we get here. 136. That'd be my angle. Okay, the only difference really between 17 and 18 is going to be we're not at 180 degrees this time. My little right angle here tells me it's 90. So again, we're going to be adding these two together to equal the whole. It's just like I did on the other one. Whoa, flying pen. 4x and 1x is 5x. 6 minus 1 is 5. And that equals 90. Do my opposites up here. Again, cool thing about a review video is you're like, Hardy, you're writing too fast. Well, just pause me until you write that step. But we did this step so many times today, I didn't think we needed a lot of slowdown here. And then angle CBD, we're just plugging into x minus 1. I like that one. Get my degree measure. Okay? And again, I will have a hint tomorrow to give you to kind of help out with this as well. And finally, John spent $75 on a new tennis racket and $20 per lesson for every lesson. Remember, the word per guides us that we need an X in there. Okay? He has at most, he doesn't want to spend any more than that, no more. All he's got is $200. So when we say at most, that means I want to spend less than or equal to $200. Okay, so that'll be my setup. Again, not equals, because it could be less. Subtract those out. Now let's get to the moment of truth here. So hopefully if you need to, you paused me in here for a minute. Okay, now here's the thing. How many lessons can he take? You're not going to go to your instructor and say, I have $200, I would like 6.25 lessons. That's not how this works. Well, what do I do then? Well, I can't afford 7. That'd be over this. So I guess I'm only taking 6 lessons. My apologies again for missing this part, but again, between what we have here and what I'm going to give you for a little help tomorrow, hope we're going to make it all right. We'll see you then.